Hello, friends. Today we'll talk about a special cryptocurrency, XRP. Do you know what XRP is, when it started, and who is behind it? Let's dive into all these details. XRP is a digital asset created by Ripple Labs in 2012. Its goal is to enable fast and low cost international transactions. XRP is used through RippleNet, a payment protocol for banks and financial institutions. Ripple aimed to create a digital asset faster and cheaper than traditional banking systems. Transactions via XRP are completed in seconds with very low costs. It's designed especially for those involved in international money transfers. Now, the question arises, what will be XRP's price in 2025? Price predictions in the crypto world are always uncertain, but experts believe that if XRP gains more adoption, its price could rise. Some estimates suggest XRP could be between $1 to $10 by 2025, though it will depend entirely on market conditions. Friends, this was the story of XRP. I hope you found this information useful. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency, always do thorough research. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.